Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today with the all-new 2019 GS24 from Nautique. This is an Admiral Blue with the sand color and the white interior. We did do the Admiral Blue tower with it as well. For 2019, the GS24 got a couple different changes on it. The hull got a small change, but the rest of the cockpit looks the same. Nice LED blue lighting. The lighting can be changed to any color you want. We obviously have it on blue right now. There's all sorts of seating in this boat. Lift that up, you got some nice seating here. You got some seating over here. Storage underneath the seats. Nice big boat, 17-person boat. Plenty of space up in the bow of the boat. We still have our 12.4-inch link pen array system, the JL audio system. This particular boat we did get Bimini included, and the tower speakers are the JL 8.8 inch speakers with down lighting as well. So if you have any other questions, come down to MarineMax of Rogers and check this boat out.